Hey guys, it's Miss Bye, and what book do you think I'm about to read? The Little Blue Truck by Schertle and Jill McElmurry. Let's see what happens. Judging by the picture on the title page, what do you think it's going to be about? A little blue truck, and what are these? Animals. Good job. Let's jump into the story and see what this is all about. Here we go. The horn went beep. Can y'all do it? Can you make a beep sound? Beep, beep. Ready? Beep. Good job. The horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sound you ever heard. There's a blue truck. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked his eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Can you wink? You try. What'd the frog say? Or the toad say? He said croak. Can you croak? Croak like a toad. There it goes. Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Lou. There's the cow. There's Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said, peep. Ma, said a goat, and Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse, and quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. All the animals. Honk! Yelled a dump truck. Coming through! I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Does he sound very nice? No, he's yelling at them. Looked like he startled little Blue, which means he surprised them. Vroom! Went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Good job. Oh no. Now he's stuck in the mud. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard, and nobody cared. I wonder why they didn't care. I don't know. Probably because he was being mean earlier. That could be it. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Is that nice of him? Yes, it was very nice of him. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now, Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh no. So here comes little Blue, trying to help the dump truck. Now they're both stuck. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Well, yay, they're coming to help. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flappin' with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. The truck was pretty nice to them. Sure, that's why they wanted to help. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green Toad? Good job. Look at Toad's muscles. They're all trying to help Blue. There's Toad. Do you have muscles? Here we go. Let's see. All together. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Woo! They worked hard. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. I think little Blue taught him to be helpful. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, ma. Ooh, they're all jumping in. Beep, beep, beep. The end. That's the little blue truck. So it's always nice to be a good friend and lend a helping hand. No matter who you're with your mom or dad, it's always nice to be kind. See you later.